It's Nick, and we're going to smoke a turkey. Get a roasting pan and put lemon, onion, and fresh herbs on the bottom. Put a roasting rack on that pan, and we're ready to work on the turkey. Put the turkey on the rack, backside up, and season with salt and pepper or your favorite rub. Flip it over, and now the fun starts. We're going to inject this bird for more flavor and juiciness. You don't need to inject, but with smoking I think it helps a lot. Our injection is a cup of chicken broth, 4 tablespoons melted butter, juice from a lemon, then a teaspoon each of garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. I love this flavor with poultry. Go ahead and squeeze that injection into the breast evenly. Once you get the breast, hit the thighs and the wings too, and pour a little bit of the leftover on top for some more flavor. Season with salt and pepper, or another seasoning rub, then add 2 cups of water in the bottom of the pan. It's going to help keep it nice and juicy. Tuck the wingtips under the breast. I left the plastic tie on the legs to help cook more evenly on the smoker. I also took off the pop-up timer. It's unreliable and I don't use it. Set your smoker for indirect heat and use pecan or apple wood chips. Smoke for 12 minutes per pound at 325 degrees. Your turkey's done once it hits 165 degrees in the breast. Once ready, remove the turkey from the smoker and let it rest for 15 minutes before carving. Smoking a turkey can be more work than just roasting it, but it's packed full of flavor. So go ahead, smoke a turkey. Enjoy, everybody.